Here are 3 reasons why you should buy the firework. Yeeps Hide and Seek. Number 1, mobility. If you have enough cotton, you can guide wherever you want it to go. And yeah, it keeps up really well. Reason number 2, a show. If you're holding on to something and you throw fireworks up, it makes a little show. See? Reason number 3, they're good for trading. They are only worth 600 cotton, but everyone loves to trade for them. See? Like this guy's trying to offer me a love potion. I'll take it. Bye! Like and subscribe!